this is Elisa with WTI. Let me show you how not all rolled oats are created equal. So if you're looking for a healthy carb to combine for breakfast or a snack, I highly recommend this rolled oats by 1 Degree. These are great because they are organic, they are gluten-free, they only have one ingredient, they don't have any sugar added or anything else, and they are sprouted, which means that they are easier to digest. My husband loves doing these as overnight oats. He prepares it with some nuts, some fruits, a little bit of natural sweetener, and he really likes having this for a snack or breakfast. You can make this in a variety of different ways, and you can even bake with it. I love this oatmeal by 1 Degree, and I would highly recommend it. So if you're looking for some healthy carbs and increase your fiber intake, definitely check these one out, and that's my point of view.